everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Just wanted to quickly come and share some happy mail with you. Apologies for my previous video of my pre-order. The lighting was a little bit bright, so I've adjusted my white balance and hopefully this one's going to be a bit better. So first of all, I've got these two beautiful cards, and these have come from the lovely Sandy, who is part of my Stampin' Up team. So this one is a thank you. What she sent me that for? Oh, because I sent her some winnings of something for some team recognition, and this one is a lovely Christmas card saying Merry Christmas. So those are from the lovely Sandy. She makes the most beautiful cards, and what a beautiful idea that is. And then this little gift here has come from Antonio. Lovely, lovely, gorgeous Antonio from YouTube. Antonio Makes. He sent me this lovely thank you for your love and support during my first year on YouTube. Have a Merry Christmas. And that's from Antonio. Very talented. He's a lovely young man, and makes me sound really old, but he's obviously younger than me. And he makes lovely crafts and beautiful food. He obviously is a good cook. He makes soap. He does all sorts. He's ace. Multi-talented. So I've got this little set of gifts here. How awesome is that? I like that idea. That's cute. I've got a little sweetie in there, and it's got a little gift tag. I like that. That's a cute idea, isn't it? You could do them, and then you could hang that on the tree. I like that idea. Isn't that lovely? So much detail for a little chocolate. It just goes to show how creative he is. That's really lovely. So what else have we got in here? Some more. Oh, that one's just come a little bit unstuck, but not to worry. We'll stick it back together. Maybe the chocolate were a little bit fat for it. So we've got another one there. Alright. What we got here? Ah, lovely desk calendar, thank you. These always come in handy, and I do use them. In fact, this one I'll take to work because I'm always, you know, in my other job, I always need a calendar in front of me so I can see shipping dates clearly and things like that. So what's this we've got here? How lovely. It looks like it's a cup. Ah, my favourite colour, that's pink, that's lovely, thank you. What's this here? Wow, we've got a lovely little bundle here that is put together with some lovely Christmas material and some lovely Christmassy ribbon, and then this little centrepiece that is done. I almost don't want to undo it. Let's have a look if we can undo it without ruining everything. That's really lovely. Can I undo that? Because what I'll do is I'll reuse the stuff. Antonio, you know me, you know what I'm like. I'll reuse it, me, in my journals and stuff. Let's see if we can get this undone. I don't want to cut it. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, blimey, you've tied it tight. Let's have a look. There we go. And then we've just got this little kind of twine there. I'm going to cut that. Oh, there we go, so we can get that lovely little bundle undone. We've got that lovely Christmassy material there, and we've got this little bauble here. How lovely is that? What we got in there? Some lovely tea lights. Oh, that's gorgeous. So you'll be able to put your tea lights on and then have that hanging, and that's lovely. And what's this? Oh, a little eyeshadow. Ah, how thoughtful is that? Thank you, Antonio. So what I can do with these is, yeah, it's got a little hole at the top there. I could put, make a little Christmas bauble out of that, and the tea lights always come in handy. The smelly ones, let me see, they look like it because they're all different colours. They smell lovely. Oh yeah, lovely. What a lovely thought. Thank you, and it's a beautiful box as well, and my lovely new mug. So thank you. What a beautiful idea. That's a great idea for craft fairs, isn't it? To have that little bauble all wrapped in material with the pretty topper, and then in a mug like that. I think that's a lovely idea. So there you go. Just thought I'd come and share that with you, and also at the same time I get to do a bit of a double bubble because it's my way of saying a big thank you to Antonio and giving him a shout out. Go on over and check his channel out. It is awesome. I will leave a link below. Thank you very much, Antonio. That's very kind of you. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you very soon. Bye.